how to use UCard at Publix. The first step will be confirming participation. Ensure that your local Publix accepts UCards. While Publix is listed among participating retailers, acceptance can vary by location. You will obviously need to activate your UCard before shopping. You can activate your UCard by visiting this website or using the app. Activation is necessary to access your benefits. Identify eligible items. Your UCard can be used for approved healthy food items and over-the-counter products. Use your UnitedHealthcare's app product scanner to verify item eligibility while shopping. Checkout process. As you register, inform the cashier that you'll be using your UCard. Simply swipe the card or scan its barcode to apply your benefits to the eligible items. Monitor your balance regularly. Check your UCard balance through the UCard Hub on the UnitedHealthcare's member site or the mobile app, and stay informed about your available credits. This is how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.